Hi, welcome to my channel, Sprinkle of Resin. Here I share simple resin art processes, beginner tips, and real-time projects from start to finish. Let's get into today's video. When working with resin, having the right materials makes the entire process easier and more successful. I'm going to walk you through the basic resin materials and explain what each of them is used for. The first and most important material is epoxy resin and hardener. Hardener is mixed with resin to start the curing process. Without hardener, the resin will never harden. To shape the resin, we use silicone molds. Silicone molds are flexible and reusable, which makes them easy to demold once the resin is cured. They come in different shapes. For accurate mixing, we use measuring cups. Measuring cups helps to ensure the correct ratio of resin to hardener. Incorrect measurements can lead to sticky or soft resin. To mix the resin, we use mixing sticks. Mixing sticks help combine the resin and hardener properly, especially when scraping the sides and bottom of the cup. For safety, gloves are very important. Gloves protect your hands from direct contact with resin and help keep your workspace clean. A face mask is also recommended, especially when working in closed spaces. To add colors, we use pigments. Pigments can be liquid, paste, or mica powder. They allow us create different colors and effects in resin art. For decorative effects, glitter can be added to the resin. Glitter gives the resin sparkle and texture depending on the look you are going for. Some designs also use alphabet stickers. Alphabet stickers are placed inside the mold before pouring resin to create names, words, or initials in keychains and other resin pieces. They are commonly used for personalized resin projects. To remove air bubbles, we use a heat gun or a lighter. Light heat help pop surface bubbles and improve the clarity of the resin. For small details, tweezer is very useful. It is used for positioning decorations inside the mold. After the resin has cured, we may need to make hole for kitchen attachments. This is where a hand drill is used. The hand drill helps create clean holes without cracking the resin. To turn resin pieces into usable items, we use kitchen hardware. This includes eye screw, jump rings, and chains. To attach kitchen hardware properly, we use pliers. Pliers help open and close jump rings securely and make sure the keychain is firmly attached. To protect your workspace, a silicone mat or plastic sheet is used. Resin spills can be difficult to clean once cured. Having these materials ready before you start makes resin art smoother, safer, and more enjoyable. Thank you for watching Sprinkle of Resin, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe for more resin art tutorials.